Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best door lock is probably one of the most overlooked security upgrades for your home. Sliding closet doors are great for saving space, but they can be vulnerable. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sliding closet door locks, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you choose the perfect one to safeguard your valuables and provide that extra layer of security. Number 5. KongNai Baby-Proof Sliding Door Lock, 2-pack. This lock is designed to keep your child safe from potential dangers. It prevents access to areas like balconies and kitchens. You can easily install it on doors to enhance your child's safety. Installing this child safety lock is incredibly simple. You don't need any tools. Just peel off the 3M tape and stick it on. It only takes a few seconds to set it up. Made from strong ABS rubber, this lock is built to last. It's tough and durable, and its sleek white design blends seamlessly into your home. Even if your baby pulls on it, it won't budge easily. This safety lock is versatile and can be used on various sliding doors and windows. It's perfect for balconies, kitchen doors, and wardrobe doors. It offers comprehensive protection throughout your home. This is a high-quality sliding door lock with excellent customer service. It's a thoughtful gift for your baby and your friends. It's a great way to enhance safety. What we like. This lock is incredibly easy to install, taking only seconds with its 3M tape. It's made of durable ABS rubber, ensuring it can withstand daily use. If you're looking for a simple, yet effective solution to childproof your sliding doors and windows, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for parents who value both safety and convenience. What people say. The flat side of the lock is what keeps the doors from being slid open. Installation is simple and easy. It is a simple but effective design. Number 4. Eco Baby Sliding Door Lock, 4-pack. Keep your little ones safe with this sliding door lock. It uses a strong adhesive to prevent children from opening doors or windows. This product is designed to keep them secure. This lock is perfect for sliding doors and windows. It works on various surfaces like glass and wood. It ensures that children stay safe and don't hurt themselves. Installation is a breeze with its simple push-button design. No tools are needed, and it won't damage your home. You can easily install it on the top or bottom rails. This product is tested for strength, safety, and durability. Each lock is spring-loaded and designed to last. It maintains the beauty of your home while providing security. Created by parents who understand your needs, this lock is a thoughtful gift. It's designed to work on various materials. It's the perfect solution for expectant parents. What we like. This lock uses a strong 3M adhesive, making it resistant to determined children. It's designed with a simple push-button spring setup for easy use. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use lock for your sliding doors and windows, this is the one. It's perfect for parents who want a hassle-free childproofing solution. What people say. They are strong and would recommend. Simple setup and great protection. The adhesive is super strong. These sliding door locks are amazing. These stopped my granddaughter from escaping the house. They are easy to install and very strong. Number 3. CALDEVER Sliding Door Lock for Kid Safety. Are you worried about your child's safety around sliding doors? This lock provides peace of mind. It prevents them from wandering out when you're occupied. This lock is designed to keep your children and pets safe. It ensures they can't open the sliding glass doors or windows on their own. The lock works on various surfaces, including glass, aluminum, wood, and plastic. Its transparent design blends seamlessly with your home decor. Want to let in fresh air without worry? You can partially open the door. This lock allows you to control the opening width while keeping your child safe. Installing this lock is quick and simple. It takes only a minute. Just make sure the gap between the doors is between 8 mm and 40 mm before you install it. What we like. This lock fits most sliding doors and windows, ensuring your child's safety. Its transparent design seamlessly integrates with your home decor. If you want a discreet and effective way to childproof your home without damaging your doors or windows, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for those who value aesthetics and functionality. What people say. The lock is easy to install. It works great and is easy to use. The design is simple and effective. Number 2. Makibi Sliding Glass Door Child Safety Lock, 4-pack, white. Kids are naturally curious and love to explore. This product helps prevent them from accessing potentially dangerous areas like closets or balconies. It provides an extra layer of security to keep them safe. Designed for convenience, this lock can be easily operated with one hand. You can quickly lock or unlock it, even when you're busy with other tasks. Simply push the wings to unlock and pull them to lock. Before purchasing, please check the dimensions to ensure a proper fit. The lock is 6.9 mm thick when flat and 47 mm long when folded. Make sure the gap between your sliding doors is within this range. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools or drilling. Just peel and stick, and you're done. For optimal safety, place it out of reach of children to prevent them from accessing it. Made from durable PC material, this lock is lightweight and easy to handle. The white color blends seamlessly with your existing decor. It's a practical and unobtrusive safety solution. What we like. This lock is designed for one-hand operation, making it convenient for busy parents. It's easy to install with no tools required. If you are looking for a user-friendly and durable solution to keep your children safe, this is the one. It's perfect for parents who need a practical and efficient childproofing option. What people say. Very pleased with the quality and ease of installation. Good solution for sliding doors. Easy to flip the mechanism to lock and unlock. It uses adhesive to attach to the door, which is strong enough for a 15-point cat to hold so far. Number 1. Toddleroo by North States Sliding Door and Window Lock. This sliding door lock from Toddleroo by North States is designed for child safety. It prevents children from opening sliding doors and windows, adding an extra layer of security in your home. The lock is versatile and can be used on patio doors, closet doors, and windows. It's ideal for securing various sliding surfaces throughout the house, ensuring your child's safety. The design is simple and easy for adults to use. A quick slide and release motion activates the lock, keeping your child away from potential hazards. Installation is a breeze with the VHB adhesive. It attaches securely without leaving marks, and no tools or drilling are required. It's ready to use in minutes. Made from non-toxic ABS material, this lock is built to last. It's designed to withstand everyday use, providing reliable performance and peace of mind. What we like. This lock works on various sliding surfaces, providing versatile protection. It features a simple slide and release motion for easy operation. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install lock for your sliding doors and windows, this is the one. It's perfect for parents who want a quick and effective childproofing solution. What people say. The lock is easy to install. The lock works great. It is a good product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.